Okay, so we're going to continue with the letters. We've done ba and tha, and we did some of the examples, but I forgot to do all the examples. So this was the one that I mentioned that these are actually, this is the letter ha, the round one, and then the shape on the left, and with the two dots, it becomes a tha. So this is slightly messy, okay, because I was actually using this slide for the letter za, but at the end you can see these tars at the end, okay. Again, the circles with the two dots, okay. So that's what we're looking for, and then again there it is again, okay. Another one there, okay. And here you've got the, in the middle, you've got a tar there, and obviously in the first word as well, you've got a tar there. So you should be able to identify it by the two dots, okay? Two dots at the top, okay? Again, another one of those tars, and one more there, okay? And then we've got this page, okay? So in this, there are actually quite a few, and I'll just let you have a look at it, okay? And if you're on one of our courses, then please just get in touch if if you don't understand any of these, okay? But really, um, you're looking for two dots, okay? So you should see, if I go through them, I count them for you, okay? So it's one, two, three, four, that's a tha there. Then number five, that's a tha there. And then the one on the end, you might think that's a tha, but that's actually a kaf, okay? And it's like you can see it's a loop, okay? It's a loop. Then look at the second line, okay? So the second letter on the second line, that one there is a tha. Then let's count it. So in the second line from the right, one, two, three, four, five. That one's a tha. Um, Again, you've got a sa, then a tha. And then if you look in the bottom, so again, that second letter from the right on the bottom, okay? Because remember, we read from right to left in Arabic, so we're going from right to left, okay? That one is a kaf, okay? That's not a ta because again, it's a circle, okay? And then if you look at on the bottom line, one, two, three, four, five, six, that is a ta and a ya, okay? A ta and a ya. Okay, so that's tha done. Now we'll look at the letter tha. This is the one in purple. Now, tha is very similar to ba and tha in its shape. So I'm not going to repeat it too much because you can see the shapes are very similar, okay? This time there are three dots, okay? Three dots, okay? And tha is actually quite unique, okay? Because it's actually a TH sound, but with a little bit of a hiss in it, okay? And it's like the way we say thank you or thumb. You can actually hear that TH and that third sound in it, okay? Now, tha is quite straightforward. It's three dots, but there's some confusion when it comes to the letter tha, as a sheen. Okay, so the green on the right is letter sheen. Okay, so you can see that sheen itself is quite unique. Okay, if we look at the green letter now, you've got kind of that W with a cup. Okay, and then you've got just a W, but there's the three dots. Okay, so when does a tha become confused with a sheen? Okay, it's if you look on the right, the green letters. Okay, that last one there. Okay, so the last one there. Okay, you can see it looks like a small W with three dots. Okay, now if you look at the purple one, and you can see on the bottom on the right, okay, again it looks like almost like a W with three dots. Now here you can tell that the purple one is a tha and the green one is a sheen, but actually when you look at the Quran, sometimes you can hardly tell the difference. The other ones, if you look at the beginning sheen, okay, don't get mixed up here. So if again look on the top now at the purple, okay? So on the left, that's a tha, and you can see it's flat with three dots, okay? But on the right, if you see it there, you've got a sheen and it's a W with three dots, okay? So let's move on to a couple of examples. Okay, you should spot this as a meme and then a tha. And again, look at this. It's that second one there, okay? So it's sorry, it's not the second one actually. It's supposed to be the third one, okay? So it's kind of like that small W with three dots, okay? Then it's this one that I wanted to show you. So the purple, that's a sheen, and the one that I've highlighted in yellow is a tha, okay? So you can see how similar they are. but the one in yellow, which is the tha, it's slightly more wider. Okay, and the one in purple is a bit more of a kind of a more a condensed kind of W. Okay, so just try to have a look in the Quran and see if you can spot some thas and try to practice saying it. Get in touch with your sister looking to learn to read the Quran, and you can join one of our free courses.